Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday here and we are about to just run some errands. Jimmy is grabbing our drinks and getting my matcha and he's getting a cold brew. We have to go to one grocery store that's right next to the coffee shop first to get a couple things like this oat bread that we get and love, and they only have it here. You can order it online too, so I'll give you the link because it's the best bread. We're gonna run in here first and get a couple of things, and then we're gonna run up to Trader Joe's and get the bulk of our groceries. Are those your treats? What are these? These are your Cheetos. Oh. All the groceries have been unpacked, which feels so good on a Sunday to like start the week off fresh. We have a couple things we have to do for meal prep. We got some celery we're gonna juice, and then we have some chicken to prep for the week. We might prep some salad too. That makes for an easy lunch when we have a busy work week. Trader Joe's has these little juice shots. They were out of the red juice, which we normally grab from there, so I decided to get some. Also, we were in the grocery store and like, it's that time of year that just everyone around you is coughing and sneezing. I was like, why not get a little extra immunity boost? This one is their no joke ginger, and it just has coconut water, ginger juice, lemon juice, and cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna have that and split it with Jimmy. This one is their Mighty C. So this one just has acerola cherry. It's very, very high vitamin C content, so that'll be really good for immunity too. For my immune system, I always take L-lysine. My body just loves it and it really prevents me from getting sick. Like, that has been a huge help. I'll link the one that I take below. I don't normally take vitamin C on a regular basis, but I decided I could use an extra boost. I got liposomal vitamin C. It's easier to absorb. I can link this too. It's a precursor for collagen, so it's also really good for your skin. So why not? Ooh, spicy. Ooh, spicy. You want to smell it? Yeah, she hates that. Here we go. Yeah, it's strong ginger. Save the other half for Jimmy. Yeah, it's like spicy, strong ginger. I quite like it, honestly. Not a bad thing to have every once in a while. It's 11:20 and I'm really hungry. I like to eat lunch pretty early when I can, more like 11:30. I actually have some leftovers from dinner last night. We went to one of our favorite Thai food places. I have brown rice and a little bit of Penang curry left. It's like a red curry. So I'm gonna start with that and see how I feel. I might have like some quesadillas or something with a little bit of protein too, because I only have a little bit of the curry left. If you have a dish like this that has, you know, really tasty sauce, especially a curry, but you don't have a lot left, sometimes what I'll do is I'll put it on the stove in a pan and add a little bit of veggie broth or chicken broth. And then you can add like half a can of chickpeas just to get in some extra protein. And it will still taste like it's from a restaurant, you know, because it has that amazing tasty sauce on it. But you can just get in some more veggies or chickpeas or whatever you're kind of missing. Every Sunday I like to go through the bananas. We don't really eat a ton of bananas throughout the week, maybe like 1 or 2. So usually we're just letting them get ripe and then we use them for smoothies. So what I do is I keep some Tupperware in the freezer and also a big plastic bag. I like to prep all of these in advance because I think frozen bananas just make a smoothie taste so much better. Like that's really how you get that creamy milkshake consistency. I'm just gonna break them up so that they're easier to blend in sizes like that big. And so probably for an average sized banana, probably break it up into like 3-4 pieces, and then we'll put it in the freezer so we have it for smoothies throughout the week. Hey guys, it's a few hours later now. It is about to be 5 o'clock, so we're getting ready for dinner. We were both working on some stuff. We had some house chores to get done, and then we just went for a walk, and that was really nice. It is 74 degrees out in December, which is a beautiful perk of Texas. It might be really, really hot in the summer, but the rest of the year is really nice. I had all the windows open in the house to let some fresh air in, and right now I'm drinking some rooibos tea. This is so tasty. It is not caffeinated, but when I love to drink it is when I'm craving a matcha latte, but it's too late in the day to have caffeine. So I do a rooibos tea and I add a little bit of almond milk to make it like a latte. And it's really tasty and just like creamy. It tastes a little almost like nutty, I would say. I'm having that and we are getting ready to make dinner. Sunday is our big meal prep day. What we're gonna do for dinner tonight is we're making a teriyaki chicken, obviously gluten-free, soy-free, all the things for my allergies. We actually get a good amount of chicken and prep it so that we can have it throughout the week for lunch. Jimmy's gonna do that on the grill. Along with the teriyaki chicken tonight, we're gonna make soba noodles. Look like this, they're really tasty. The ones that we get are made out of buckwheat and brown rice flour. If you buy them from most places, they're probably gonna put gluten in them just to like cut it because it's cheaper, but you wanna find ones that are buckwheat noodles. Those are really tasty. So we're gonna do these with some sesame oil on them. Then we're going to do some bok choy. We have a lot of baby bok choy right now. One of our restaurants that we really love, they make this bok choy dish with cashew butter, and it is so good, and they just discontinued it for their new seasonal menu. We are going to try to recreate that. We are also going to make another dish that's inspired by them. It is a beet dish. So we're making, I think we have a golden beet, and we're going to bake it in the oven and then cut it up really thin and make a beet salad with it with some cashew creme. So that will be really good. We're doing the teriyaki chicken, the soba noodles, the bok choy, and the beets for dinner. We're going to meal prep, like I said, the chicken. We also get ground chicken and we meal prep meatballs to have for dinner one night during the week, usually like Monday or Tuesday. So we're gonna do that. If you're busy, if you work full time and you're really struggling with lunches, I think the biggest thing is having like a protein ready so that you can just mix and match. It can be anything. It can be hummus, it can be grilled chicken like we do, it could be fish, it could be turkey, chickpeas. There's so many different things that you can choose from. If I don't have enough protein, I just crash. Like at 3 o'clock, I could pretty much be asleep. We usually either have grilled chicken or we'll have black beans, and we'll use it for quesadillas, for sandwiches, for salad. It just really sets you up for success during the week, and you know that you'll be getting enough protein and getting enough energy. Hey guys, we are just finishing up dinner. We have the soba noodles going back here, and then in the oven, we have the bok choy and the beet. We don't normally bake bok choy, so we're gonna test it out. Wanted to show you too the cashew creme that we made. We're going to use this on the dish with the beets and the grapefruit. It's really, really good. We did cashews, water, onion powder, truffle salt, and a little bit of lime. I'm plating the noodles and bok choy, and we're gonna make it look a little fancy because why not? We have the soba buckwheat noodles, and then I have the bok choy kind of tucked around. What I did was I took some of this cashew creme and then I added coconut aminos to it and a little bit of rice vinegar to make it taste almost like a peanut sauce. And I'm gonna drizzle that on the noodles. The restaurant that we go to, what they used to do with the cashew creme is they would kind of smear it on the plate like that and tuck the bok choy. This sauce is really, really good. Here is the chicken and the chicken meatballs. Here is the beet carpaccio. We spread the creme fraiche on the bottom. There are golden beet slices here. We did some fresh grapefruit and grapefruit juice and then fresh mint from the garden. Jimmy is curious which one you think it is. What's the criteria? Prettier?
Better plated.
Better plated. All right, so let me show you this one. This one is all me. This one is Jimmy. He went for a little bit of a curve there.
It's pretty much the same.
They're pretty much the same. Here is the final result for the chicken dish. So we have the soba noodles and we have a little bit of that sauce on the bok choy too. And then we have thinly sliced grilled chicken with a little bit of a teriyaki glaze. That is our fancy little Sunday dinner. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat dinner now, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope you had fun coming along with us for our productive Sunday, and I hope it inspired you to have a productive day too. We are gonna go ahead and eat our dinner, and we're probably gonna watch an episode of Suits. We've been really into that lately. If you have any other good shows, drop them in the comments, please. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.